Wanted to tell you, beta, all of you, that adversity is the real touchstone of your sincerity. It is the real touchstone of your sincerity. So you should never be depressed. Okay. Now number 12 is bilingual. Bilingual means able to speak two languages. There are people who are bilingual, able to speak two languages. Bilingual. Suppose I can speak English and Hindi both. So I mean I am a bilingual person. And if I can use both my hands, I'll be called ambidextrous. So I will be using that word also, ambidextrous. Able to use both hands fluently. Like I must tell you, our principal, our beloved principal, Mr. R.I. Thornton, he is an ambidextrous man. I have seen him when I was a child. He can sign with both his hands and very fluently he can do that. A very few Scotians know that he is an ambidextrous personality. Okay. Now number 14 is fugitive. Fugitive. One who runs away from law. Now suppose I am a criminal. Suppose I have committed heinous crimes and I am running away from law. Police is after me and I am running away. So I will be called a fugitive. And number 15, I will be finishing. Dotage. Dotage. Dotage is a condition when an old man behaves like a child. So it has been told that when you become extremely old, you become a child. So dotage is a condition in which an extremely old man, he starts behaving like a child. So I hope it is clear to all of you. I hope all of you will write down these 15 words as one word: substitution. Okay. Now there is one more thing which I would like to tell you. A few classes may not have written, they may have missed effective notice writing tips. So I will take another 5 minutes and I will write down what are the tips of effective notice writing. And in the next period, we will be doing 2 notices, both will be done on the board. Okay. So these are the effective tips, because while I was taking online classes, we had certain audio disturbances. So effective notice writing tips. These tips are to be written by each and every person, each and every student. Do not cross 50 words. 50 words will be your word limit for notice writing. This is the first tip. Number 2, keep your notice short, crisp, and to the point. Keep your notice short, crisp, and to the point. Number 3, highlight the word notice. It should be highlighted. and title. Whatever title you are given, whatever title is being given for the notice, those things should be highlighted. Okay. Number 4, the title should be captivating. The title should be captivating and eye-catching. Whatever title you give, it should attract people. People who read the notice, they should get attracted only by the title itself, so that they can get interested into what is mentioned in the notice. Number 5, use all available information in the question. Whatever information is given in the question, you try to utilize all those informations, like date, venue, timings, name of the tournament, who is going to be the chief guest, who are going to participate, what is the amount of money to be paid, and who are you, your designation, at last you have to sign. Okay, all those things will be given in the question itself. Number 6, 5 W's. What, why, when, where, and who. This is very important. What event is going to take place? Why is it going to take place? When is it going to take place? Where is that event taking place? And who all are invited? And who all are the dignitaries? Who all are coming? And who is the chief guest? Who is the guest of honor? All those things are to be mentioned, but you will mention all those things only if all those things are written in the question. And this is the most important thing. Focus on your presentation. Focus on your presentation and clarity. Okay, your presentation should be beautiful, crisp, nice words to be used, eye-catching, captivating words to be used, and your presentation should be appealing. So if you take notice of these 7 points, these 7 tips, then whatever notice you are going to write, it will come out to be a very nice one. And then you will be able to score really good marks. And I gave you one question also, and this question I will be writing on the board. But this is very important, and all of you should write it down in your language, of course, language classwork copies. Now this is the homework which I gave you in my online class. You all should try to do this homework in your English language copies. Okay, this was the homework. I told you that you were the head girl, but one of the boys said, "No sir, I am going to be the head boy." So I said, "Okay boy, become the head boy." You are the head boy of Bishop Westcott Boys School, Namkum. Your school is arranging a trip to Moorish Bakery. Write a notice in about 50 words for all sections of class 8, for all sections of standard 8, inviting them to join the trip. Now use the following data. This data is to be used, children, boys,